Okay, so let me first introduce you to the team. So here we have with us Prashant Kamble sir, proprietor of CM Techtronics. Then we have Tanvi Walekar, we have Pooja Shinde, we have Shreyas Sitap, and we have Shravani Yadav, students of Automation and Robotics Department from VES Polytechnic. The team from CM Techtronics and VES Polytechnic. So they have made this solar inspection drone in collaboration with CM Techtronics and VS Polytechnic students, and they are from Automation and Robotics Department. So we'll hear it from them. First, we'll hear it from the man behind this project, that is Prashant sir. He is a proprietor from CM Techtronics. So let's hear it. What is this all about, sir?
Uh, Thank you, by the way. You gave us, or Vivekanand Polytechnic gave us the opportunity to work for the students, for the college, and on this project. So, we had a discussion with students, and I found the students really sincere. And later on, I decided to sponsor a project for them and to go ahead with this project. I discussed with students prior sponsoring, and then I found that yes, we can go ahead with this, and the project can be taken ahead. Uh, Today, we had a very nice successful test of it, and we gave a proper demonstration of the drone. Each and every part of that project was properly working, and it was demonstrated to the examiners very nicely by the students, and they really did a nice job what they were given. So, yes, what I try to give is an opportunity to the students who are really trying to, express their knowledge and the commitments.
Hard work is.
So, yes, it was all of them who really did good in this project.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now we'll hear it from the students of Automation and Robotics Department. So tell us more about like which flight controller you are using and how many days you took to do all this and all the hard work, all the sleepless nights you spent behind this. So tell us more.
So firstly, we have used the K++ V2 flight controller, which is inside this.
Yeah, if you can show. Oh. Okay,
So
tell me more about it.
this is all the connections. This is the receiver of the transmitter, uh, the flight controller, the telemetry, the antennas, PMU. So this is all the connection of the drone.
Okay, so as we can see, we have connected your motors from M1 to M6, 6 LED, which is behind, so that the drone person who is flying the drone can understand what the drone indication is showing. Power monitoring unit, PMU, receiver, MK32 receiver, and transmitter we have used. This is GPS. We have used X6 motor by Hobby, and this is a 10-liter tank which stores the water and cleaning solution for solar panels cleaning purpose. Then again we have 4 nozzles attached to our frame of the panel drone. Then we have used lipo batteries, each of 24 volts, and we have used propellers, and this is carbon fiber frame. uh, that's it. And also for inspection we have used thermal camera, which is Flyer 1 Gen 3 thermal camera. It is inside this box uh, for capturing thermal images. Yes, that's it.
Okay, so why you are using that thermal camera? For what is the purpose or application for this?
Okay, so why specifically we are using thermal camera is because to understand solar panels, because we can click normal image, RGB image of solar panel, and we can see that it has dirt and dust is accumulated, but we can't see that this cell is generating less amount of energy, or we can't detect hot spots, cold spots, etc. For that purpose specifically we have used thermal camera to detect the hot spot and cold spots.
Okay, tell us about the time you took to build all this with help of sir, and what all the sleepless nights you took, the hard work which paid off. As you can see in some time that we'll fly this. So tell us something about that.
Okay, so very starting in the initial days, we did all the research of each components. We read about each component's data set, its manual, what the specification of each components are. Then further with the sir guidance, we started with the connection and assembling of our drone. Connecting all propellers, connecting this frame, then connecting this tank, all this. Then again after that, with the help of sir and his guidance, we started doing calibration of our drone. After connections and everything was done, we did the calibration, and later on we connected, then we basically did testing of our drone. So initially days it took less time, but uh, later on, yes, as time passed, we
The
spent,
struggle and the hard
yes,
work
increased.
went to another level.
Yes. Okay. So basically, we are using MK32 transmitter. So it has total 16 channels. Channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. These two are dials. These are three stage switch. Here we can attach antennas
Okay, this is how you switch it
on.
on.
Yes, so basically a small press, then a long press, then it gets on.
Okay, so tell me which all switches you are using in this.
So we are using SF for onning and offing the pump
Okay.
for cleaning purpose. Then for SB we are using for selecting mode. Wait, let me show
Okay,
you
so
the
this is like a Android system.
Yes, this is an
Entire thing.
Android based transmitter. So this is throttle.
Okay, so from this terminal we can.
And we can arm drone like this. And so basically we are using SIYITX software. Here we connected our transmitter and receiver. Here we can see all these 16 channels which I said. Then here we can link the data. As you can see, we are using UART. Yes. So here in system, first we have to do binding between transmitter and receiver. That we the initial we did. Then again all calibration, joystick calibration, dial calibration, with all we did. Then we armed and started testing our drone. Okay, so basically we have taken our thermal image to the PC wirelessly, and as soon as the image comes, we have to choose file. I can see solar panel thermal image. As soon as we open, generate report, you can see the report is generated. That means it is giving result of our inspection. So we have used, yes, of course.
Okay, so thank you so much. This is like a brilliant work we can see, and with the help of sir and the students, it is really good. Let's go to see how this flies.
नेमालाही वाजविला आहे नागपूरला नेमाला आवडला दिसला बाय 3 My God, perfect.